Do you want to use ReactJS with Laravel to build powerful web applications? How about building a Twitter-like real-time web app while learning modern JavaScript and ReactJS from scratch? If that sounds great, you will absolutely love this course. Let's talk about what this course covers. It covers core modern JavaScript or EcmaScript basics. It covers ReactJS basics. You will learn to make Ajax requests using axios. It has theoretical as well as practical explanation to learn React. You will learn to integrate React with Laravel. You will be able to add real-time functionality using Laravel Echo and Pusher. In this application that you will be building, you will be able to add the follow or unfollow functionality. You will work with belongs-to-many relationship. You will be working with custom table, and you will be creating a lot of accessor methods in your models and much more. You will be able to combine Laravel with ReactJS to build modern web apps. You will be able to start writing React components. You will also be making Ajax requests, a GET request or POST request from React frontend to Laravel backend. You will also learn real-time integration by broadcasting events using Push.js and Laravel Echo. You will learn intermediate level Laravel techniques and be able to use ReactJS as an alternative or replacement to Vue.js, which is another very popular JavaScript framework that is used with Laravel. By the end of this course, you will build a Twitter-like real-time web application with follow-unfollow functionality using Laravel backend and ReactJS frontend. So if this sounds exciting, enroll into this course. And if you don't like it, you can take your money back. Udemy has 30-day money back guarantee. All right. So I'll see you inside the course. Thank you.